Want to create text animation like this in Canva? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how it's done. Let's get started. First, open Canva and choose a video template. I'm using a YouTube video size, but you can pick any format you like. Now, type out the text you want to animate. Instead of typing the whole word at once, type each letter separately. For example, I'll start with the letter A. Increase its size to around 214 pixels, then choose a font. Next, I'll place it vertically in the center. To add the next letter, simply duplicate the first one, move it to the side, and replace it with your second letter. Repeat this process until your full word is created. Once all the letters are there, bring them a little closer together. Select them all and center them on the page. Now let's start building the animation. In the timeline, hide the element timing so it's easier to work. Now duplicating the page. On the new page, I'll bring the letters even closer and rotate them slightly in opposite directions to add some variation. Then I'll duplicate this page. Bring the letters even closer and duplicate it again. On this new page, I want the letters to explode outward. To do this, I'll move each letter in different directions and then recenter them on the page. Next, I'll add some central text. Press T to add a new text element. Type the text, increase the spacing, and place it right in the middle of the exploded letters. Once everything is aligned, duplicate this page, and on the new one, enlarge all the letters, including the center text, to make it more dramatic. Now it's time for the fun part, animation. I'll select all the exploded letters, but leave out the small center text. Go to Animate, scroll down, and choose the wiggle effect. It looks too fast, so I'll reduce the intensity to make it smoother. After that, add transitions between the pages. Select Match and Move, and set the duration to 0.3 seconds, and apply it across all pages. The last step is adjusting timing. By default, each page is 4.8 seconds long, which is too slow for this effect. So I'll change them all to just 0.3 seconds and apply it to all the pages. For the last slide, keep it longer so we can clearly see the wiggle animation at the end. You can also add sound effects to make the result even more engaging. And that's it. Our text animation is ready. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what effect you'd like me to cover next.